everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. I have my newest collection from Armoire we're going to get into. I can't wait. I picked all these pieces. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks like to hang out with me. We got Loki and we have Dexter today. Be sure if you stick around for that long haul, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Armoire is the most amazing rental service I've ever tried. You can have your stylist pick out items, or you can pick out items, or you can do a combination of the two. They have 3 different case options you can choose from, so lots of flexibility. You wear them like they're your own. When you send them back, they go through a very thorough washing process. And if you can't part with something, you can keep it and it'll be at a discount. Like, how awesome is that? There's nothing not to love. It's perfect for anyone who needs maternity clothes and doesn't want to invest in them. It's perfect for special events, including all the way up to black ties. So if you want a really elegant designer dress, they have them, but it's also perfect for athleisure and everything in between. All right, so before I open mine and share with you, they do have, as I mentioned, 3 different case options you can choose from. I do the unlimited. The unlimited means that you get 6 items at a time, but you can rotate them throughout the month if you'd like. So if I wear all of these within the first 2 weeks, I can send them back and I can get 6 more items. Or if I've worn half of them and I want 3 more replaced, I can do that. So you have a lot of flexibility with the unlimited plan. You always have clothes to wear. Also, you don't have to send the clothes back until you've gotten the next set of clothing. So you always have clothes. It's like a revolving closet. It's wonderful that you don't even have to clean or store. It's awesome. All right, but if that's too much and you don't need all that, you can choose the 7-item capsule. The 7-item capsule means that you get 7 items for a month. There's no rotation. You can't swap items out. You get 7 items. You enjoy them for the month, and then you get 7 new items the next month, unless you've decided to keep any of those pieces. But then just 7 items the next month. And then they have a 4-item capsule if you don't even need all that. 4 items that you can just wear as key pieces throughout your wardrobe for the month, and then do it 4 items the next month. Pricing goes like this: unlimited, $249 a month. 7-item, $129 a month, and the 4-item is $89 a month. I have a discount code for you for all those, up to 50% off, plus 2 bonus items if you use my link to try this service out. All right, let's get into it because I think I picked some fun pieces. You do keep the bag, and they'll send you here it is, return label. So you'll just swap that, put that right on the outside of the bag. And send everything back whenever you're done with it. I always love the origami dresses. So cute. I feel like I'm starting to collect them. Here's some from the previous ones. I like them. Okay. It's springtime, and you can definitely tell in my color choices. Check these out. Right? Everything comes all tied up in string, and I can't wait to share these pieces. I'm hoping everything fits. Sometimes they will say to you, do you want to get an extra in this? Like, we have availability to send you an extra size. So like for me, I'm a normal 26 in pants. Sometimes they'll say, hey, we have the 27. Would you like us to send that one too? Last time I did that. I don't think I did that this time. I stuck with my sizing, but you can get that versatility as well. They also just started the fact that they have the quarterly rental. So that means that for $10 a month, you can keep some of your pieces, switch them over to a quarterly rental, and then you just get charged $10 per item for how long you keep them. I love that option. Lots and lots of flexibility here with this program. And they have so many brands, like everything from Z Supply, which isn't quite as expensive, the whole way up to designer brands. They have it all. Okay, let's talk about what I picked, and then I will go over if I wanted to keep them, pricing and all of that. First up is this French Connection blazer. I love the color. It looks so fancy. Thought it'd be so cute even just with a t-shirt and jeans at work. I love this. It's a little bit longer, like boyfriend style, flappy, flaps over the pockets. So cute. I like that. It's all fully lined, adorable. Next up is one from NIC ZOE. Love this as well. This one is again with the pinks and the black. Would look really pretty with black pants. Has that fringe. It's like the classic NIC ZOE jacket, I think. I love it. It has a little bit of Chanel vibes for me. This one does too. This one is from Maje. I thought this was adorable. This cute little crop jacket. How adorable is that? Oh, I love that. Right? Has like, what is, yeah, silver. So there's silver running through it. That's so cute. Oh, love it. I love this one too, but again, keep in mind, I picked out these pieces. I picked all of them this time. This is by ASTR. How adorable is that? Oh, little vest or sleeveless jacket. I'm in love. Love the buttons. Check out the buttons. Okay. All right, bottoms. I chose these Daze denim. Look like a fun relaxed barrel. They looked comfy. Okay. Then I thought this Skort was fun. This is by French Connection. I think it has a matching jacket. I just got the little Skort to try. How cute is that? Adorable, right? Has the button pockets in the back. Are they real? They are not. So cute. And then I thought these joggers were so fun for work from home. They're by Steve Madden. They're silky. How adorable are these? All right, I think these are some fun picks. Let's get to this try on. First outfit, okay, I put on the Skort. I thought this was so fun. I love the bright pink. I love that it's actually shorts. It is such a nice fabric, a little bit of stretch, zipper on the side. The length is nice, wide at the widest part of your leg, which is something I always look for. The little fake button pockets, not real, so you don't have to worry about smoothing them out. Back up a little bit here. Dexter's in my way. I'm always jumping around puppers. So I love this. This is a great piece. Just put it on with a white tee. But you could do, based on what I got here, I could do some fun color matching here. How about the yellow jacket? You could do the yellow, the pop of pink. I think this is a very smart little look. I love this jacket. It is so cute. It's cropped. Looks really nice with the white. Has the silver running through it. Hopefully you're seeing that. These are snaps. So I love that. I love the elegant buttons here. So cute. I do have a little bit more room. Oh, this was such a good choice. I love it. I think pairing it with the pink is unexpected. Nice and bright for spring. I love it. Love it. I love both pieces. So cute. Okay. For these, the Maje button-down jacket, and it's actually snaps, but it calls it button-down. I'm wearing a small, which is perfect. Retails for $385. If I wanted to buy it, $135. Oh, love it. And don't forget, you can always run it quarterly if you wanted. These are the French Connection Skort. I have on a 2, which is my normal size. They retail for $88. If I wanted to keep it, $79. And they almost always have, for members, a discount code. So almost every month you get a new one. If you want to keep an item, they'll give you $20 off towards that item, which would make this jacket even cheaper. Next outfit. This one is so fun. Okay, so I have on the silky joggers. These are like a satin material. They do have the cargo little pocket down here on the lower leg. Lower hip, I guess I should say. Thick waistband, so comfy. I really like these. Such fun color pops pairing these two together. I'll try this little vest on without anything underneath it too, just so you can see what it looks like as a top. But I think this is such a great pairing. I think the silk joggers will be just perfect for those super casual days where you want to just be at home. But you could dress them up and wear them out too. Put on a heel and you're set to go. I think they're perfect. They have the side pockets. Here's that thicker waist. Love it. And this little vest is so cute, so chic, right? These are actual buttons. So you could, I'll wear it closed for you as well, but I like it open over the little tee. You could do a tank also. Love it. Yeah, this one is screams spring for me, but is so elevated and chic. All right, so for This jacket is called ASTR the Label, and they're calling it a blouse. I'm wearing an extra small. It retails for $119. If I wanted to keep it, it would be $83. These are by Steve Madden. They're called just joggers. I'm wearing a size small. Retails for $80. If I wanted to keep them, $36. With my $20 off, I could get them super cheap. How amazing is this blazer with just simple jeans and a t-shirt? It just, the outfit is made. I am so in love. So this is a longer length. I'll call it boyfriend length. So it's more relaxed than fitted. Hitting at the bottom of my bum. Does have the pockets here in the front. Sometimes if I want to make it look even dressier, I'll like throw that pocket inside, and that gives it more of a tailored look as opposed to being out, but you have the choice. This is fully lined. It does have some stretch to it. One button closure. So cute. The bent in the back. I love this. So good. And I'm loving the barrel jeans as well. How cute is this? Okay, I love this. Love everything about it. The jeans are fantastic. They're hitting me right at my ankle bone, top of my foot. They're not a crazy barrel. They're just enough to be relaxed and comfortable, and it's such a great fit. Love them. I could just put this right in my bag and head to work. Like all three of these pieces, I have an outfit, which you probably are going to see in the upcoming outfit of the day. All right, so this one's called the French Connection Blazer. I'm wearing a size 0. That retails for $178. I could buy it now for $151. And then for the Daze Wide Leg, so I'm wearing a size 26. My normal size retails for $98. If I wanted to keep them, $88. I think the price that you pay to keep them depends on how long they've had them in their rotation. So after so they'll get cheaper and cheaper. If they're newer, then there's usually 10 to 15% off. And you might ask, you seem to have more than 6 pieces here. You're right. Good catch. I actually have 7 pieces this time. You may remember, or if you didn't catch it, I had a couple armoires ago where 2 pieces were missing. So my bag must have burst open. And I only got 4 of my 6 items. I think the other 2 were lost, unfortunately, and they were really great. So they credited my account a few items. I think I might actually have 1 more. So I've been adding 1 extra item per bag the last month, but I think I have to finish it off by May. Let's do another outfit. All right, next up, I switched out the jacket for this fun NIC ZOE. This is so adorable. I think this is my last piece to show you. I'll just make sure I show you that little cute vest. I'm calling it a vest. They called it a blouse by ASTR by itself as well. So this one is nice because it is like a sweater material, so it's stretchy. Has the little pockets here in the front. Has sort of a decorative button. It has all the fringe, which I think gives it like those, I don't know, I'm picking up kind of Chanel-y vibes. Does have the little opening here at the wrist. Again, looks perfect with jeans and a white tee. Brings such a nice pop of color. I feel like all of these are just brightening us up for spring. Love it with the jeans. Such a great choice. So it'd be nice also for Armoire. You can try before you buy. You can wear them. You can see how you like, because sometimes you try something on, you love it, and then in reality, when you wear it all day, you're like, ugh, I don't love this as much. None of that with this. If you decide to keep the items, you know, because you've already tried them and they're perfect. So I love that about it. All right, so this is fabulous. All things fabulous. And it is by NIC ZOE. I'm wearing a small. It's the NIC ZOE Blazer. Retails for $198. If I wanted to keep it, $178. And that is all my pieces. Love it, love it, love it. So let's try on that last top. How cute is this by itself? I think it'd be so cute over a tank as well. But it just elevates this whole look. Even with denim. Pair it with white, it would be so pretty. All of these would be pretty with white. The pinks, the yellows. So cute. Check out these buttons. They're a little jaggy. You can see they have all those holes. You have to be careful whenever you're pulling it through the the buttonholes, but super cute. It has like the little pockets up here at the top. I think this is adorable. That's everything. I say every time, like, this is my favorite collection, but I think this one is my favorite collection. So I'm gonna have a really, really hard time sending anything back. I love this. I love the denim. I love the yellow. I think the Skort is adorable. I'm in trouble here. Let me know. What should I send back, or should I move it to a quarterly rental and get through the spring and summer with them? This is so fun. I'll put all the information for Armoire down below. I highly recommend it if you would like to just make sure you always have clothes to wear and don't feel like investing in all the pieces. This is a great way to have some great adds to your closet that pop. I'll put all these items down below as well in case you would like to add any of them to your case. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.